Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl, and today I want to show you 6 really fun and easy recipes using Be So Clean soap, my all-natural, non-toxic liquid soap. For the first recipe, I want to show you how to make a foaming hand soap. You want to get a container that has a foaming dispenser, and I've got a link in the video description to show you where I bought mine. And it's going to be 1 part soap to 4 parts water. So I have a 1/4 cup of Be So Clean soap. I'll pour it in here, and then I'll add 1 cup of water. Give it a little shake, and watch this. We've turned liquid soap into a foaming hand soap. This foaming hand soap recipe is an economical option for hand washing. Foaming dispensers use less water. Foaming soaps save up to 50% of the water used during traditional hand washing. For the second recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a soft scrub. We'll start by adding our baking soda. And adding our Be So Clean soap. You want to mix these two together with a fork until no lumps remain. Then we'll add in a cup of water and mix again until it's thoroughly combined. Then we add in the vinegar and mix until no lumps remain. Okay, now we're ready to add it to a bottle. So I've got a bottle here with a squeeze top lid. The easiest way to get this into the bottle is to use a funnel. So I'll put a funnel on my bottle first and then pour this in. There we go. We've got our all-natural soft scrub cleaner. This soft scrub recipe cleans sinks, tiles, toilets, tubs, and helps tackle mold and mildew too. For this next recipe, we're going to be making a body scrub, equal parts honey, olive oil, and Be So Clean soap. Okay, here I've combined a 1/4 cup of honey, olive oil, and Be So Clean soap, and now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. And we'll mix this together. This is a great scrub for using in the shower or the bath. You can make a handmade loofah, or you could use something store-bought. And then we'll pour it into a pump bottle for using in the shower or the bath. I'm going to grab a funnel and pour it in. Depending on the size of the bottles that you use, you may want to do a double or triple batch of this. This is the singular recipe. If you notice that your scrub settles a little bit in the shower, all you need to do is give it a quick shake and you're ready to use it. Not only does it help exfoliate your skin, but then it has all those nourishing oils from the olive oil and the honey as well. It's really a wonderful spot treatment for your skin. Now I'm going to show you another really nice body wash recipe. It's going to be equal parts Be So Clean soap with equal parts unsweetened coconut milk. You want to make sure you shake up the can really well first to make sure that it's all that it's not separated, that it's all nice and creamy. And that's equal parts Be So Clean soap with equal parts unsweetened coconut milk. Oh, this is going to be so luxurious and moisturizing. And then we'll add our vegetable glycerin. Mix it all together and pour it into our pump bottle. This recipe can be easily doubled or tripled depending on the size of your containers and or making gifts. There we have it, our coconut milk and Be So Clean body wash. All natural body wash is so healthy for your skin. It's moisturizing, it's all natural, non-toxic, and it makes lovely gifts as well. The next recipe is for an all natural cleaning spray. You're going to take 1/4 cup of Be So Clean soap with 6 cups of water. Mix to combine and pour it into some spray bottles. You could leave one in each bathroom in your house, leave one in the kitchen, and one in the laundry room. I'm going to pour this back into my pitcher for easy pouring and add a funnel to my bottles. There we have it, all-purpose cleaning spray. For our 6th and final recipe, I want to show you a super easy way to make a produce wash at home. You can fill your whole sink in the kitchen, but since we're outside, I'm using a big bowl, and just one tiny little squirt of Be So Clean soap. Swirl that together and add your fresh produce. If you're using soft fruit, you just want to let it sit for 2 or 3 minutes. And if you're cleaning hard-skinned fruit and vegetables, you might want to rub the surface as they're soaking in the solution. After they've had a chance to soak for a few minutes, you want to rinse them in fresh water. Once you rinse them in fresh water, you want to dry them off, and then they're ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed making these all-natural cleaning products with me today. If you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. You can find links for all of these recipes plus Be So Clean soap in the video description. They're all on my website. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.